should we ban people who are born out of South Africa, who are born outside of South Africa? Should we ban them from holding public office in this country? Here I'm talking about the people who were not born in South Africa, but who have found their way to South Africa. And mostly here we are talking about people who come to South Africa as adults. And we know after 5 years, then they qualify to hold public office and all of that. So do you think it is proper that we change or we amend the constitution to prevent such people from holding public office in this country? Greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Tibos Kosana, and the name of the platform, it is The Agenda. You're welcome, guys. Let's have a debate. Let's engage. Please help us to grow the platform, guys.